Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this short tutorial, I will discuss about stolen device protection is not working on your iPhone on iOS devices. You can see appears on the screen. So guys, how to fix these problems? So close this window and guys, when you open setting application and tap on Face ID and passcode and enter your iPhone passcode or Face ID and scroll down and here is a not working. So you can see appears on the screen. Read carefully. Stolen device protection is available only when your passcode or Face ID is set up. So simply set up your Face ID or passcode. If you not set up already, simply set up your Face ID. Set up Face ID. By this method, you can see appears on screen. So here is the interface. Simply tap on don't use mask and now wait for some second, tap on done and now some guys simply you can see appears on screen. Scroll down and stolen device protection is now working perfect after set up the Face ID. So guys, because if your Face ID is turned off, your stolen device protection will not work. So guys, please like, subscribe.